Welcome to English via AI. Imagine a quiet man walking onto a film set. He does not shout. He does not try to look powerful. He does not need to. His face is calm. His eyes are intense. His voice is soft. But when the camera starts, everything changes. He can become a gangster. He can become a villain. He can become a broken man. He can become a scientist, carrying the weight of the world. He is not loud in real life, but on screen, he is unforgettable. This is the story of Cillian Murphy. Cillian Murphy was born on May 25, 1976, in Douglas, Cork, Ireland. He grew up in a family that valued education and creativity. His father worked for the Irish Department of Education. His mother taught French. Cillian was not born into a famous acting family. He grew up far from Hollywood. As a child, he was interested in music. He loved sound. He loved rhythm. He loved performance. He was also a thoughtful boy. He was quiet, but curious. Ireland shaped him deeply. Its stories, weather, music, and people stayed with him. He did not begin life thinking he would become a world-famous actor. At first, another dream pulled him forward. That dream was music. Before acting, Cillian Murphy wanted to be a musician. As a teenager, he played in bands with his brother. Music was a serious passion for him. It was not just a hobby. He loved performing. He loved being part of a band. He loved the feeling of creating something with other people. For a time, it looked like music might become his future. He was even offered a record deal with his band. But the deal did not happen. This was a turning point. Many people would feel lost after a dream changed. But sometimes, a closed door leads to a new path. Cillian was still young. He was still searching. He went to University College Cork to study law. But law did not feel like his true path. Something else was waiting for him. At university, Cillian began to move closer to acting. He became interested in theater. He watched plays. He felt the power of live performance. Theater is different from film. There is no second take. There is no camera to hide behind. The actor must stand in front of real people and tell the truth. Cillian found something powerful there. In 1996, he appeared in a stage play called Disco Pigs. The play was written by Enda Walsh. It became an important moment in Cillian's life. His performance was intense and emotional. People noticed him. Disco Pigs later became a film in 2001, and Cillian also starred in it. This role helped open the door to his acting career. The musician was becoming an actor, and the stage was teaching him how to be brave. Cillian Murphy's early acting career was not built overnight. He worked in theater. He worked in smaller films. He kept learning. Then came a major breakthrough. In 2002, he starred in 28 Days Later. The film was directed by Danny Boyle. It was a dark and frightening story about a man who wakes up in an empty world after a deadly infection spreads. Cillian played Jim, an ordinary man thrown into a terrifying situation. He was not a superhero. He was not a warrior. He was scared, confused, and human. That made the performance powerful. 28 Days Later became an important film. It brought Cillian to a much wider audience. People saw his face. They saw his emotion. They saw his quiet strength. Hollywood began to notice him. But Cillian did not chase fame in a loud way. He kept choosing roles with care. One of the most important creative relationships in Cillian Murphy's career was with director Christopher Nolan. Their first major work together came in 2005. Cillian played Dr. Jonathan Crane, also known as Scarecrow, in Batman Begins. The role was dark and unsettling. He was not the biggest character in the film, but people remembered him. His calm face and cold eyes made the character frightening. Cillian later appeared again in Nolan's Batman films. This began a long connection between the actor and the director. Over the years, Cillian worked with Nolan in several major films. He appeared in Inception in 2010. He appeared in Dunkirk in 2017. Each role was different. Each role showed another side of him. Cillian became known as an actor who could do a lot with very little. A look, a pause, a quiet sentence. That was enough. In 2013, Cillian Murphy took on one of the most famous roles of his career. He became Thomas Shelby in Peaky Blinders. The series was set in Birmingham, England, after the First World War. Thomas Shelby was a gang leader. He was smart, dangerous, calm, and wounded inside. Cillian made the character unforgettable. He did not play Tommy as only a hard man. He showed the pain behind the power. He showed a man who had seen war and could not fully escape it. The walk became famous. The haircut became famous. The voice became famous. But the real power was in the silence. Tommy Shelby often said little, yet the audience understood so much. Peaky Blinders ran from 2013 to 2022. During those years, Cillian became known around the world. Still, he stayed private. He did not act like a typical celebrity. He focused on the work. Cillian Murphy is famous, but he is also known for being private. He does not live his life for attention. He often avoids the loud side of fame. He has spoken about wanting a normal life away from the camera. This makes him different from many stars. He became globally known, but he kept a quiet public image. He did not build his career with gossip or noise. He built it with performances. This is important. Some actors become famous because they are always in the news. Cillian became famous because people trusted his acting. He chose interesting roles. He worked with strong directors. He stayed serious about his craft. He also kept his Irish identity close. Even after great success, he remained connected to Ireland. His private nature became part of his image. A quiet man, a powerful actor. In 2023, Cillian Murphy took on the biggest role of his career. He played J. Robert Oppenheimer in the film Oppenheimer. The film was directed by Christopher Nolan. Oppenheimer was a real scientist. He helped lead the project that created the first atomic bomb during the Second World War. This was not an easy role. Cillian had to show intelligence, pressure, fear, pride, and guilt. He had to show a man carrying a terrible responsibility. The performance was quiet, intense, and deeply emotional. His face carried much of the story. His eyes showed the weight of history. Oppenheimer became a major worldwide film event. Many people praised Cillian's performance. For years, he had been respected as a great actor. Now, he was being celebrated at the highest level. In 2024, Cillian Murphy won the Academy Award for Best Actor for Oppenheimer. This was a historic moment in his career. It was also a proud moment for Ireland. The quiet boy from Cork had reached one of the highest honors in film. But the award did not come from one role alone. It came after years of discipline, years of theater, years of smaller films, years of careful choices, years of refusing to become only one type of actor. Cillian's journey shows that success can be slow. It does not always come quickly. Sometimes it grows quietly. Then, one day, the whole world sees it. After Oppenheimer, Cillian remained active as an actor. His current status is clear. He is still working in film while keeping a private and grounded life. Cillian Murphy's legacy is still growing. He has already become one of the most respected actors of his generation. His career is not built on loudness. It is built on depth. He showed that an actor does not need to be noisy to be powerful. He showed that silence can speak. He showed that a calm face can hide a whole storm. From Cork to theater, from 28 Days Later to Peaky Blinders, from Batman Begins to Oppenheimer, his journey has been long and steady. He has played many kinds of characters: a survivor, a villain, a soldier, a gangster, a scientist, but behind all of them is the same thing: careful work. Cillian Murphy's story reminds us that quiet people can leave a loud mark on the world. So what can we learn from the life of Cillian Murphy? His story carries powerful lessons. The first lesson is about patience. Cillian did not become a star overnight. He built his career step by step. The second lesson is about focus. He did not chase noise. He focused on the work. The third lesson is about privacy. He showed that you can be successful and still protect your personal life. The fourth lesson is about range. He played many different roles. He was never trapped in one box. The fifth lesson is about quiet strength. He proved that power does not always need to be loud. Cillian Murphy's life reminds us of something simple but powerful. You do not need to shout to be remembered. With focus, patience, and honest work, a quiet person can become unforgettable. Vocabulary, meanings, and examples from the story. Creative, able to make new things or new ideas. Example: he grew up in a family that valued education and creativity. Passion, a strong love for something. Example: music was a serious passion for him. Turning point, a moment when life changes direction. Example: this was a turning point. Theater, plays performed live on a stage. Example: he became interested in theater. Performance, the way an actor, singer, or artist does their work. Example: his performance was intense and emotional. Breakthrough, an important success that opens new doors. Example: then came a major breakthrough. Unsettling, making someone feel nervous or uncomfortable. Example: the role was dark and unsettling. Private, not sharing much personal life with the public. Example: Cillian Murphy is famous, but he is also known for being private. Responsibility, a duty or something important you must deal with. Example, he had to show a man carrying a terrible responsibility. Historic, very important in history. Example, this was a historic moment in his career. Legacy, what a person leaves behind and is remembered for. Example, Cillian Murphy's legacy is still growing. Focus, giving full attention to one thing. Example, he did not chase noise. He focused on the work. Grammar tip, can for ability. We use can to talk about ability. It shows what someone is able to do. Example 1, he can become a gangster. Example 2, he can become a villain. Example 3, he can become a broken man. We also use can to talk about what is possible. Example 4, a quiet person can become unforgettable. A simple way to remember, use can for ability or possibility. Cillian Murphy began as a quiet boy from Cork with a love for music and stories. He found theater. He found film. He found a way to speak through silence. He became Tommy Shelby. He became Oppenheimer. He became one of the most respected actors in the world. But through it all, he stayed private, focused, and grounded. His story reminds us that quiet strength can be powerful. So, here is a question for you to think about. Can you stay focused on your work, even when the world is noisy? If you enjoyed this story, please like this video. Share it with a friend who needs to hear it. And comment below with one lesson you will carry with you. Subscribe to English via AI for more real stories that help you learn English, one journey at a time. Keep learning, keep building.